a lot. A lot, a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot. Here's the tummy again. This one is one that the page didn't match up on. Instead, the page came open to that one. Not gonna complain. Hi, Juno. Or, as people on the M-Wave like to call me, my boyfriend. Another beta. It's gonna take me forever to put these all away. That's okay. And then I get to look at all the pictures. Like I said, I don't like watch any unboxing videos, and I don't watch any like reveals or nothing, so I can be surprised when the actual album comes in, and I can just I guess reveal it to myself. so, so I get to see it all. Did I get Epsilon? I did, right? Yes. No. Maybe I am missing one still. Now I don't remember what I've got. No. I can't get over the dog. So cute. So cute. I must have. Yeah. I don't remember who I've got now. I remember I got the one I wanted. Oh, another he did. Get out of him. Get out of him. I don't remember what stack he was, so we're just gonna put it over there. Of course, I have like 4 stacks. Nothing is organized on my floor anymore. Okay, this is and I'm not even kidding, the last album. And I only have one Jada. The irony here is really high because I said if I didn't get a Jada photo card, I was going to like fly to Korea and be very upset. So the fact that I literally have only gotten one Jada, very ironic. But yes, I think that is everything. Yes. So yay. Exciting. So thank you for watching my unboxing. And now I think you've gotten to at least see all the photo cards. I think I got everybody. I lost count somewhere in the middle, and then I stopped making piles. Now I just have a mess. So, yeah. Here, I'll show you my favorite part again because it's cute. And look at them, look at them, all mine.